So this is known as Singham Point from here, where the famous movie Singham was filmed here at Donapaula. Singham Point, they call it Singham Point from Donapaula. So lovely blue waters. There you have the Holiday Inn hotel over there. Those are all hotels. The Holiday Inn hotel. It's a beautiful view from here. So look at this. Quite rocky over here and nice. These are some of the villas which are on rent. Homestays. These are private homes. This is in Donapaula. So maybe if you all come over here, maybe you all can check on the booking sites. Agoda, booking.com, various sites. This is Donapaula shopping around here. So people come and buy clothes. This is near the beach side. Supposed to be the Donapaula Point. So you go to the hill there, which you see from there, you get a beautiful view. So this is the Donapaula entry details. If you come over here, there are some fees. Entry fee 50 rupees per head, minus 25. No entry fee for Goa residents. So let's take a walk. Quite a nice view from here. This is the Donapaula Arena over here. You can call it the beach Donapaula Arena. So from here you have to climb up to reach the top, and from there you get a fantastic view. So let's take a walk up. Donapala restaurant view. After lunch, 3:45 p.m. in the evening, you have all these boats where they take you for a boat ride. Quite picturesque place. Donapala, quite good restaurants over here to have a fish thali, bangra thali. So Donapala also is a good place to visit, especially if you come here in the afternoon, maybe around 12:30 or 1 o'clock, spend some time over here and then go back around 4 o'clock in the evening. There you have the Holiday Inn and the resorts behind. This is the restaurant opposite, facing the beach, facing Donapala. I think, people who want to have a thali over here can definitely come. Suggested place and also good for videos. Good view from here. Many people come to Goa not knowing the proper itinerary. मतलब कि उन लोगों को पता नहीं चलेगा कि कितना दिन गोवा में रुकने के लिए. तो बेसिकली अगर आप गोवा आ रहे हैं तो मिनिमम जो है साउथ गोवा में 3 दिन, नॉर्थ गोवा में 3 दिन तो आप कवर कर सकते हैं. अगर आप सिर्फ 2 दिन के लिए गोवा आ रहे हैं काफ़ी मुश्किल है. यू कैन कवर गोवा इन 2 days बिकॉज गोवा इज़ क्वाइट लार्ज. द नंबर ऑफ बीचेस अबाउट 55 बीचेस टू कवर. तो उससे अच्छा है कि अगर आप प्लान करके आए तो गोवा इज़ प्लेस वे एवरीबडी कम्स एंड काफ़ी सारी चीज़ है यहाँ पर एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए और बीचेस और जिसको सी फूड खाना है और थोड़ा बहुत घूम फिरने के लिए अच्छा है तो आप प्लान करके आ सकते हैं. So this is the story of Donapala. This is a place in Goa and after Donapala this place was named after this prince and princess. She used to sit on the rock and wait for her prince to come back after he used to go fishing. You can Google it and check out for further details. Donapala has a lovely landscape of rocks and shell formations. So this is a rocky part. You can see a lot of seashells and stuff. It's quite nice. especially in the evenings if you come after 3:30, and the sun will be little less. तो शाम में आने के टाइम पे जो है, शाम में अगर आएंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा. तो 3:30-4 बजे के बाद आपको ठंडा भी मिलेगा. और यहाँ पर अब तो थोड़ा धूप तेज़ थोड़ा नरमी है धूप में, लेकिन ज़्यादा तेज़ नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. So just going around this place, it's quite amazing. And you have the backdrop of the Dona Paula statue. It's an excellent bay watch. It's a nice, beautiful tree over here. This is the tree which has the bougainvillea on top. And below it's mango trees. It's a beautiful bougainvillea tree over here. It's a mango tree which has got bougainvillea. That's the white statue of the Dona Paula. There's a story behind that. She was a princess of this place once upon a time, I was told.
डाउनलोड नहीं हुआ ये डिलीट मत करना भाई.
Cool breeze. So cool the breeze is. The blue water. Beautiful view of the ocean at Dona Paula. I think those who are coming to Panjim at least must visit once. It's just 6 kilometers from there, 20 rupees by bus. So we have reached the top. This is the view, breathtaking view which you get over here from the top. Quite a lot of people, being a weekend. So this is on the way to Dona Paula. You have this place called, you'll find this lassi shop with dry fruit. So quite comfortable, and they have a lot of variety over here. So you can pick up a few things from here. This is in Dona Paula. And they have quite a few refreshments also as well. So those are coming over here for a walk. Maybe you all can pick up something from here. And so place. So just before the bus stop, you can pick up. Yeah. They have a lot of dry fruit and a lot of Goan specialities, sweets and other things where you can pick up.